Hello everyone, I am Dr. Vandana Bhavare. Let us study today about subphylum Vertebrata. What are vertebrates? Vertebrates, they are the jointed, serially jointed vertebral column, those organisms which are having the vertebral columns, that means the backbone, they are called as the vertebrates. Vertebrates are chordate animal that has a cartilaginous or bony endoskeleton which is made up of the vertebral column and a brain box. In short, we can say vertebrates are chordate animals with backbone or vertebral column. Now, this subphylum Vertebrata, they are divided into two divisions, division Agnatha and Gnathostomata. Agnatha means those organisms which are not having the jaws, jaws are absent, are called as Agnatha. Jaws are present, those are called as Gnathostomata. For example, the examples are Petromyzon and Myxine, fish-like organisms are Agnatha. Gnathostomata, all organisms which are having the jaws like labio, like frog, these are all Gnathostomata. Now, let us study the examples of vertebrates. So, all these are the examples of vertebrate which are having the vertebral column, or we can say the backbones. We will see the salient features of subphylum Vertebrata. You can see they are present in aquatic habitat or in terrestrial habitat, even in the aerial habitat. So, they are present in water, in air as well as on land. Body is divided into head, neck, trunk and tail. Symmetry, they may be having bilateral symmetry or metamerically segmented animals. Limbs are present, two pairs of limbs are present which may be in the form of fins, wings, arms or legs. Integument, the outermost covering of the body is called as integument or the skin. The skin may be in the form of scales, feathers or hairs. Endoskeleton is bony or cartilaginous or both, with having the skull, that is the brain box, and the vertebral column. They are having the jointed ribs as well as the jointed appendages. Coelom, it is large with all the visceral organs enclosed in it. Notochord is present and it is replaced in the form of vertebral column. Muscles are attached to the endoskeleton for the locomotion. So, whatever muscles are there, they are tied with the bones or the cartilage for the movement, and that is the movement is seen in these organisms. Digestive system is complete, the mouth and the anus is present. Respiratory system, in lower animals they are in the form of gills, in the higher animals they are in the form of lungs. Circulatory system, closed type of circulatory system means the blood is flowing in the blood vessels. So, closed. Heart is of different types, maybe 2 chambered, 3 chambered or 4 chambered heart. The higher animals are having 4 chambered heart. Nervous system, brain is well developed with spinal cord which is also very well developed. Excretory system is pair of kidneys which are well developed kidneys, may be meso or metanephric kidneys which are having the urinary bladder, and the discharge out, the excretory waste is discharged out in the form of urine or uric acid. Reproductive system is also very well developed, sexes are separate, then the gonads are separate, and the fertilization may be internal or external. Development, they may have the larval stage or may not have the larval stage. So, indirect or direct development. Now, if you see the examples of Agnatha, that is the Petromyzon and the Myxine, these are the examples. So, if you see the characters of Agnatha, they are exclusively marine organisms which are having the mouth without jaws. So, jaws are totally absent. So, they are having the circular oral mouth. Then distinct head and skull, but the position of nervous system sense organs toward the anterior side is in the low order. Brain is of primitive type. So, it is just the starting of the chordates, and so the brain is so not very well developed. Paired appendages are absent, vertebral column is poorly developed, but the notochord is present, which is along the whole body. The examples, some of the examples like Petromyzon, it is parasitic, and you can see a circular oral mouth is having a sucker, it suck towards on the big fishes and it suck the blood of the fishes. So, it is parasitic or blood sucking organisms, while some feed on the dead and decaying part of the organisms present in the water. So, Myxine is saprophytic. So, this is the Petromyzon, which is having this oral circular suctorial mouth with the sharp teeth inside it, which make the hole in the body of the other fish and it suck the blood of it. So, this is the structure showing the internal jaws or circular mouth. This is the Petromyzon. These are some of the examples of vertebrates, which higher vertebrates which are gnathostomata having the jaws. So, you know the tigers and the higher class Pisces. So, all they are having the jaws and well developed brain as well as the mouth parts. Thank you.